An LCR circuit with 100 ohm resistance is connected to an AC source of 200 volt, frequency 300 radians per second. When only the capacitance is removed, the current lags behind the voltage by 60 degrees. When only the inductance is removed, the current leads the voltage by 60 degrees. When the current and power dissipated in the LCR circuit is. So here, the value of the resistance is 100 ohms. And if you see at this, when only the capacitance is removed, the current is lagging behind the voltage by 60 degrees. And if only inductance is removed, the current leads the voltage by 60 degrees. What can we infer from here? We can infer that XL and XC magnitude wise, they are same, right? Because when capacitor is removed, the impedance is like this. If C is removed, if inductor is removed, the impedance is like this. If L is removed by 60 degrees. So we can say that XL is equal to XC. So Z is equal to R. So the current I is nothing but V by Z. Vrms is 200 divided by Z is 100, which is 2 amperes. So option A and B are wrong. It's either C or D. Now power dissipation. Power dissipation is V into I. V is 200 into I is 2. That is 400 watts. That would make option B as the right option.